Yeah, what is it? Are you looking for something? Hmm? Hey, that's a bit loud. I know what you're looking for, and I know where it is. Are you looking for your bone? Let's go find it. Come on. Nope, not for you. Somewhere here, Deagle. Where is it? Where's your bone? That's not your bone. There you go. Bring it to your bed. Go to your bed. Good boy. Good dog. Drop it. Good boy. Deagle, sit. Come on, Deagle. Sit. Good boy. Nope, sit. Speak. Oh, so loud. Shh, quiet. Good boy. Shake hands. Good boy. Down. Deagle, bang. Good job. Want your antler? Speak. Good boy. All right, gentle. 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 Good boy. Drop it. Leave it. Good dog. Gentle. Good dog. Excuse me. What is your bone doing on the couch? Why is it there? Get your bone off. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Bring it here. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.